Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make this really cute and easy happy birthday cake that I made for my little sister's birthday. The flavor is vanilla and the icing is strawberry, so I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. This is one of my favorite vanilla cake recipes. It's very easy to do and you can pretty much do it with all the ingredients you would normally have in your house. So let's just get on to the video. The first thing you want to start by doing is creaming together your room temperature butter and your granulated sugar. You want to mix that until it's combined, and then you want to add your vanilla extract and egg whites. Once you have your wet ingredients all mixed together, we're going to work on the dry ingredients. Just put it all together in a medium-sized bowl and whisk that until it's thoroughly combined. And we're going to add this half of this to the wet mixture. Once you've mixed in the half of the dry, you want to add half of your milk. I'm using almond milk. You can use whatever milk works for you. So just add half of that, mix that together, and then repeat with the remaining flour and milk. Once you have all your batter combined, you want to line your baking pans with parchment paper and fill them until each tin is even with the same amount of batter as others. Put this in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes or 30 to 33 depending on what size pans you're using. And once that's done, let them cool completely on the side and we can get to making our icing, which I actually did not show you guys how to do. You can click my Valentine's Day video. I'll put a link to the cards up here so you can go watch the icing I used. I just used the filling from that recipe. If you remember, if you watched it, I used the strawberry filling as the frosting for this, and I really recommend it. That frosting is delicious. So that's what I used for the frosting. Like I said, that video will be linked in the description so you can know how to make it yourself. I really recommend it. So now I'm just going to decorate and fill the cake. You can do this however way you like to. I'm not going to talk during this process, so you guys can just watch me do it. And obviously you can follow along with the way I decorated it, or you can do whatever you would like. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below on what you thought about the video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.